So, in first, I welcome to you as a local guide. My name is Anil Kumar. After postgraduate, I have got the license, but no any salary. As a tips, you are giving me my salary. Sister, it was the ancient Buddhist university Nalanda. It was the great learning center of Mahayana. So first here was Mango Garden, and Lord Buddha visited this place. 1 minute, please. My, hello. Muglana and Shariputra. Muglana Stupa is Sanchi Stupa, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. This big one is Shariputra Stupa. Shariputra Stupa. Shariputra born here and died here. After death of Shariputra, this Stupa built here. Later on, university built here. So university built in 5th century AD by King Kumar Gupta dynasty. 7th century AD by Harshavardhana and 9th century AD by Pala dynasty. Nalanda was 10 kilometers long, 5 kilometers wide, 10,000 students, 1,500 teachers were here. But sister, complete university had been destroyed, broken, burnt by the Muslim invader Bakhtiar in 1200 AD. It was continuous burning 6 months. Then after slowly it was covered with mud like that a hill type. Now only 1 square kilometer area. Why was it burning this long? He liked to destroy your culture. And a lot of books there आपने बोला 6 महीने तक जलते रहे क्योंकि सारे पेपर्स ताम्र पत्र कॉपर हाँ हाँ सही बात है so copper paper was here copper paper they are burning slowly yeah. Understand. Then after slowly it was covered with muds in different earthquakes.
Did they cover it on purpose or natural?
By nature in earthquake. So now 1 square kilometer area has been excavated by the Alexander Cunningham, the great archaeologist. They excavate under 1 square kilometer one. Rest area nearby the villages, so further excavation stop now. This is the boundary wall of 1 square kilometer area. Rest area by the village property. But so village is there on top. On the top of the ruins. Whose explanation I am giving to you, I will show to you, all are proof according to diary of Wen Song, the Chinese traveler Wen Song. He was a student after he became professor here also. He mentioned everything in his diary. He mentioned in his diary, Nalanda is the combination of two words, Nalang and Da. Nalang means lotus flower, which is the symbol of knowledge, and Da means to give. Each place gives knowledge for Nalanda. According to diary of Wen Song, here was 4 main gate. There was shifted a scholar person. He asked question by a student. If a student were giving good answer, he will allow for admission. Means admission test. But original gate of Nalanda, nobody knew. That was the new gate. You are coming from there, you will back from there. Now it is excavation in 2 lines. This line the part of the stupa and temple. And that line the part of monastery, where a student lives and used to study. So this line same as stupa. This is a stupa of Sariputra. This first built by King Ashoka. Later on university built here. This is solid. On the top was the Buddha statue, but broken by Khilji, Bhaktiyar Khilji, Muslim. Here many you are looking round shape and many are a square shape. A square shape are meditation platform, but round shape are memorial stupa. Who students, who teachers were died here. After burning, they kept relics and built a stupa according to post. Big one for the teacher, a small for senior monks, just a small for junior monks.
So now, King Ashoka was son of King Bindusara.
Bimbisara not. Bimbisara son was Ajatasattu. Okay. There is difference.
Two different kings, Bimbisara and Bindusara. So the
Bimbisara was the father of Ajatasattu.
Okay.
And Bindusara was the father of King Ashoka.
Okay. So Ashoka was also the follower of Buddhism, and King Bimbisara was also but son of King Bimbisara, Ajatasattu, killed his father.
Ah, really? He arrested to his father and kept in Bimbisara jail. You
Okay,
can see in
I was
that.
confusing Bimbisara and Bindusara.
Really, sister.
Yeah.
So these are all memorial stupa. Now it is damaged, so given here railing. After here not allowed. So please come and see the monuments.
Peaceful.
In
There
those
is also a stupa of a lady,
ladies,
Sujata.
here no.
No, not here.
Okay. Hope all of you understand what he said. He's describe about the history of the Nalanda
Bimbisara was the
universities.
same period as Buddha.
Same period as Buddha.
Huh?
Yes.
In 6th century BC.
Okay. And then Ashoka.
Came in 3rd century BC after 300 years.
Then the university was built.
Really, in 5th century AD, after 800 years.
After
Ashoka after 800 years. Because 300 BC and 500 AD. 800. Understand? So language
so
was
Buddha
quality.
didn't